That portage was dog shit.
Is this for serious?
Mosquitos, the bugs.
Yeah. Took the wrong trail.
No, no!
Fucking stupid fucking canoe.
Meet the Bacon Bandits. A group of friends have been hitting the water together for over 14 years. While they might not be the most technical paddlers when it comes to canoe tripping, these guys are the absolute best. Adventure, teamwork, and unforgettable moments, that's what they're all about. In this series, the Bacon Bandits tackle it all from sunny skies to torrential downpours. They'll paddle tailwinds, but let's be real, mostly headwinds. They'll eat gourmet camp meals followed by a side of terrible mosquitos, from heart-pounding rapids to back-breaking portages. Brace yourselves, adventure awaits.
Last night we were sitting here by the fire and we seen a meteorite break up across the sky behind me right there. So it was like this big rock body that kind of broke into about 12, 15 pieces and it streaked all the way across the sky there.
When we saw the meteorite breaking up, I managed to grab a very quick video, just a couple seconds here. I think we'll cut it in here.
Looked like a starship in a space movie getting blown up and then like the fire, the oranges streaking across the sky there. Definitely kind of like a once in a lifetime thing to see there.
Holy fuck. Dude.
That's going forever.
But I think we could hear it when it was coming in, and it lasted a really long time. It was super sick.
We're gonna either go to a closer campsite or a farther one, depending on how things go.
Woke up today a little later than anticipated. We got clear skies ahead of us here, so we're all gonna get a little sunburnt. But yeah, we're pretty excited to hit the river.
The Bacon Bandits special. Bacon, eggs, hash browns, and whatever else we can find in our food barrels here. We rehydrated them. Now we're gonna cook them in the bacon grease.
Just gotta keep them moving. Don't want anything to stick.
Good party serving the bacon.
All right, we packed up all our stuff. But before we head out,
Bless you.
bless you. We're going to the waterfall to bathe because we stink. So who stinks the most on this trip?
Definitely Nathaniel.
Nathaniel.
Probably Nathaniel.
Probably Brady.
Who stinks the most on this trip?
I can't smell, so you're asking the wrong person.
Who do you think stinks the most on this trip?
Braden probably. He just looks like a person who would smell.
Welcome back to Year 14 of the Bacon Bandits adventure. It's day 4, and the boys are kicking things off strong. After fueling up with a solid breakfast, they're heading to the waterfall to wash off and get ready for the day. Stay tuned, there's plenty more adventure coming your way.
Day 4. Gonna finish this portage. And then we're off the water. We're all clean. Had a good shower, bath. Time to hit the river. Bonjour. Yeah, it's gonna sweep us to the bank there. Big rock straight ahead, so if we go right. Yeah.
The boys are kicking off the day with a quick portage, and then it's straight into some swift water. Out here, teamwork is everything. The stern man in the back handles most of the steering, keeping us on course, while the bowman up front navigates the twists and turns of the river. Both jobs demand focus, because this water reveals itself in real time.
Left along the shore.
What?
Left along the shore.
Tight to the shoreline.
Tight to the shoreline. Watch this tree here. Okay, straight.
Hard. Yeah, dude.
No way.
Paddle up. Yes, we're not the only ones.
That was more embarrassing than ours. So what happened, boys? No.
What? Oh, it was on your hat. Your GoPro? Yeah.
After Andrew and Tom capsized, they made it to shore only for Andrew to realize his GoPro with 80% of the trip's footage was gone. Desperate, the boys jumped back in to search. But with a strong current, poor visibility, and every rock in the river looking exactly like the GoPro, it was like finding a needle in a haystack.
I need to just get a better mount because this clip is kind of dumb. I can't believe we fell there though. Like that was the dumbest thing. It was just like pink. Oh!
Well, we didn't get it on camera, but we just had a fun little swim.
I think Riley got it a little bit.
Oh, Riley got it on camera, yeah. Just try not to do that too many more times today.
With the sun color red, with laughter in the air, sunshine glistens as the days lay bare.
All right, we're doing a lazy boat river float. And it's snack hour. We're chilling.
Friends by my side, we're living today. Bacon Bandits, we're the kings of the stream. Riding the river, chasing our dream. Bacon Bandits, with a song and a cheer. Together we flow, with nothing to fear.
All right, here we are at our first log jam of the whole trip.
Man, it's fucking deep back here.
It's very deep.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, bud.
Yeah, I think our best bet is to get on the log with right?
Yeah, get a parallel park and both get out.
Yeah, then.
Hold on with me for a sec.
Holy f. Oh, you're clearing the log jam.
Shit, I'm stuck.
We're both just standing on it. The other one?
Oh.
A log jam is when a bunch of logs pile up in a river, blocking the flow of water. Totally different from plugging the toilet with a log, though both can definitely ruin your day.
Easy peasy.
Nice. We're just going along this sandy bank here, and there's a load of wolf tracks. Crazy. All wolf tracks. Must mean a full pack in pursuit. All right, supposedly there's a campsite over here, so it has potential. I'm just gonna keep on going. You guys could probably meet me on the other side of it. All right, this spot that was there was probably a no-go. We're gonna pass on it and carry on.
Go back up, Nelson, and walk down the hill. There's actually some spot over here to...
Oh yeah? Holy shit. That's enormous.
That's what she said.
It's crazy how that even happens.
Bugs just got jammed.
Oh man. Is this for serious? Shit. The wrong way. Took the wrong trail. Oh, fuck.
Here we go again, another grown-in, mosquito-ridden portage. This one looks like a doozy.
Balance it. That was a rough portage, not gonna lie. We've had it pretty bougie though, so can't really complain. Bugs are nasty. You got the canoe on your head, your hands are full, and all you feel is mosquitoes and black flies and gnats landing on your neck and hands and legs. I'm glad the canoe's over with. It's just whatever's, we're two tripping it, so it's whatever's left now. I'm kind of glad I got the canoe over with. These boys are about to grab their canoes right now, so almost done though. Then we're back on the water.
This thing is not balanced properly at all. It's front heavy and horrible. Stupid fucking canoe. Stupid fucking piece of shit.
Beautiful. What was the worst part about that portage?
The bugs.
Yeah.
100% the bugs.
All right, so after that portage, we just put our heads down and just paddled hard for a good hour, hour and a half. Probably did 10 to 12K, we're thinking, and still no sight yet, but I think Braden is checking the maps right now. Hopefully not too much further. It's getting late. Everyone's getting hungry. It's been very hot and sunny today, so.
If you go here, and you look at this, Sandbar campsite is across from a Larry Lake, right?
See?
You want to know where Larry Lake is?
Ooh. It's a ways.
It's a long ways. That's why we should have just stayed at the other one.
I think we just have to go to the next place that we see. I think it's good enough. Oh. So the boys are staying back at the beach, getting firewood and stuff. In the meantime, we're just scoping this portage in front of us to see if there's a site that's better than the beach. All right, I just did the full portage. There's no site here, so I think we're just gonna hunker down on that beach. On the bright side, the portage is easy tomorrow.
On the bright side, we got fire.
Hell yeah.
On the bright side, we got a flat spot.
Yep.
On the bright side,
Taquitos.
taquitos. What the fuck?
Okay, so we've been all of here 3 minutes. Just got a fire going, and here comes the rain.
I can't see with this token.